The machinery manufacturing industry is experiencing higher productivity than ever before. To meet increased global demand for machinery and equipment, manufacturers must adopt new technologies or risk falling behind. Manufacturers build relationships with third-party vendors and suppliers to access the goods and services needed. But how can you be sure of cybersecurity across a vast channel of third parties? For this reason, Julie Security develops supply chain risk management services. As part of our CISO services package, our team performs risk assessments for activities set to be outsourced and background checks for outsourcing partner candidates. Julie Security also works with your company's CISO or CIO to define security clauses for third-party partners to adhere to. To learn more, download our free CISO services datasheet.